I want you to realize that while there are some good things, no doubt, that will come out of it, clearly this is China's push to become the world's leading political, apart from economic power, apart from being a democratic alternative to China. But of China as of now. Well, within our sphere of influence. And therefore, whether it is in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Maldives, Myanmar, etc., China is now well and truly set to establish not merely a foothold, but really a much larger hold in the area. I'm not referring to Pakistan. In the dimension of the friendship that we have, there's something fundamental. What do we need to be worried about? I would say that being in a very troubled region, a highly troubled region, and having very difficult neighbors, we have had to deal with or contend with a multitude of problems for several years, ever since we became indigenous. It is a message to not merely all countries, but particularly to India, that don't try to be on the same table. I'm using this word with a great deal of meaning. Everywhere you went, you could speak any of these languages and get away with it. But today, we are nowhere in West Asia again. We find that things are in a very difficult situation in West Asia. From our point of view, the conflict between Sunni Saudi Arabia and Shiite Iran is a matter of great concern for us.